Yeah, my name is Jayesh Thanki.
What's
I've
the
got a form in
emergency?
my bag, and I'm going to Weston Favell police station with a form. Jayesh Thanki. Jayesh Thanki.
Okay, and so
I've got a
what
bomb.
have you got in your bag?
A bomb. B-O-M-B. A bomb. I'm going to Weston
where
Favell
are
police station
you?
right now.
Okay,
Thank
I'll
you.
let the officers know then,
Thank you.
Jay. All right, thank you. All right, bye-bye.
Armed police, drop that bag now.
Back.
Drop the bag, do it now.
Back.
Buddy, drop the bag. Drop the bag, mate, and we can talk to you. What's in the bag? A bomb.
And you can put the bag down, come and get the cigarette, and you can go back to the corner. Alright?
Right, I've got the cigarette.
You got the cigarette?
I've got the cigarette.
Right, we'll put it on this corner here,
Oh, that's all right.
and then we'll move back. Alright, we'll put it here for you.
There's a cigarette in there, mate, yeah? Have you got a lighter or not? There's a lighter in there, okay?
Right, then
Alright.
we'll move back. You can have that, but put the bag down before you come and get it, alright?
Okay, hands out the bag. Let's detain him. Let's detain him now. Let's detain him. Let's go. Put the bag down now. Put the bag down now. Put the bag down now. Put it down. Put it down. Get the bag off him. Get the bag off him. Right. Get him on the floor.
Lay on your front, Jay.